Two sentences. If you want to acquire wealth and affluence, listen to these two sentences. The first one is, there is no course, no secret, no hack, no trick business out there that'll do it for you. Second sentence, it's not that winners do certain things, it's that they do them in a certain way. Look, myself and my wife, we were Tap City, suffering with debt and desperation, and we moved to peace and prosperity because we discovered the certain way. Now relax. You can find this document online free. I'm not here to peddle anything. I'm here to save people a ton of money with these bullshit artists, life coaches, right? The reality is the magic that you're looking for, it's already in you, and Wallace Wattles, The Science of Being Rich, will draw that certain way out of you. So over the next few days, I'm going to give you the points inside the certain way, but it won't make you 10 cents. And here's why. One of the biggest delusions out there, delusions, or outright lies, is that knowledge is power. Knowledge is not power. It's knowledge plus action. So you have to be willing to do the work, and that's what I was willing to do. That's how we ended up with this as a backyard. Okay, so check it out. Let me know down below if you'd like more information about Wallace Wattles a certain way. And again, you can Google it online, The Science of Being Rich by Wallace Wattles. But I'm going to decipher it for you and give you this one step at a time of that certain way. Remember, it's not that winners do certain things, buy courses, get coaches and all that. It's that they do things in a certain way. So let me know down below if you'd like more information. Peace be the journey. Let's get you the certain way.